Welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and in this video, I am going to move further with the installation of Java 19. I have already talked about the introductory portion of Java in this playlist. So if you have not watched the previous videos, kindly watch them and come back to this one. Now I am going to start with the Java download. So if you talk about the latest version of Java, you can see Java 19 is the latest version. And we are also going to download the same. I will be sharing the link of the download in the description, so you can simply download your version from the description itself. So this is the official website of Oracle, and simply we are going to download the Java 19 from here. So I'm just scrolling down, and here you can see according to your operating system, either you are using Linux, Mac or Windows. You can simply choose your option. I am going towards the Windows because I am having Windows 11 right now. And you can see the compressed archive installer and MSI installer. So I am going for x64, that is for the 64-bit installer, and I'm just going to download this latest version. It will be downloaded into your system according to your internet speed. And I'm just choosing some download path. So here it is going to be downloaded. We have already discussed about the introduction to Java and the basics of Java in the previous videos. So if you have not watched those videos, you can watch them and get into those basic concepts. 159 MB, it is the size of the software, so it is not going to take much amount of time to be installed. Let it be installed, and then we will this is just downloading right now. So after the download process, we will install it. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel because there is a numerous amount of videos and playlists available for you. Different courses, complete courses are available. So you can watch the Python and all also from here. Now my software has been downloaded. So Java 19 JDK, that is the Java Development Kit, has been downloaded. And I'm just going to install it. So let's do that. Okay, it says it is already installed in my system because yes, I have not uninstalled it maybe. So I'm just installing it, like reinstalling it with the updates. And here it comes. So next procedure, it is really simple to install it into your system as the next wizard you are having. This wizard will be helping you out to install it very easily. And now the Java 19 software is now installed into your system. So SE, that is the standard edition D for development. Okay, so Java standard edition development kit JDK 19.0.1 64-bit successfully installed. Okay, now as it is installed in my system, I'm just going to show you that where it is installed. You can move towards this PC, and in the C drive, as usually the software is installed there. I have not changed the path. You can change the path while installation. So I am just moving towards the C drive. Here you can see program files and program files. x86 is available. So x86 means for the 32-bit operating system it is. And this is for the 64-bit program. So we have installed the 64-bit, as I have already shown this thing to you on the website. 64 installer, x64 installer. So the x64 programs come here in the program files. I'm just going inside this, and here you can see that Java is present. Inside this Java, we are having JDK 19, that is the Java Development Kit 19. So this is our Java 19 installed into our system. I'm just moving here inside this JDK. You can see all the files are present, the bin is present. So just check that this is the same way as I am showing you in your system also. This video was concerned to the Java installation. So I have right now told you that how you can install the Java into your system. I am ending up this video here only, but from the next video, I am going to start with the practical implementations of Java. So see you in the next video. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. Take care.